Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now people, now waste no time on music we are talking about today. So people, me need no help. You see me, I said the Dancehall IG subscribers them, and if you're a non-subscriber and watching this video, me need no help, right? So Jada Kingdom post this clip on her stories, right? And she say, guess who? Now people, me no know Dexta Daps in a real life, but this look like Dexta Daps to me. You see me? And me want uno fi help me fi figure out if a Dexta Daps this. So what we say? Jada and Dexta Daps in the studio together. Wanna say it finally happen. Remember, you know, couple months ago Dexta Daps go up on him live and him ask who him fi collab with, and the fans them say Jada. Almost everybody say Jada. You see me? So people, me I go show you the clip and me all I go change it. You know what I mean? Me I go make it full screen. Put on the phone on full screen, as a matter of fact. This is important right here. Put your phone on full screen and it'll go full up the screen. It'll look regular. You see me? I say, I want to tell me. Ladies, me know so I know Dexta Daps. So more I want to look, I want to tell me if a Dexta Daps this down in the comment section. So now people, it's up on the screen right now. It's a silent video. But me just going to take a quick second and just shut up and make on a look. You know what I mean? Zoom in if you need. Pause, whatever. But wanna tell me, a Dexta this or no, right? Now, ladies, like me say, me know so you know Dexta Daps, so you tell me down in the comment section if you think a Dexta, right? And people wanna know how long ago this. It could be the day when she posted just this week, or it could be a old video where she have a save and the song soon ready, but we don't know, right? So people, wanna know what you think about this down in the comment section, right? Me need no help because to me, you know what I mean? I think about it and I say you're a Dexta, but at the same time, you know, she not tell we are who, you know what I mean? I can't say a Dexta, but it look like Dexta, and the fact that we know say, you know, she know, Dexta know say the fans them want a song. You see what I say? We figure say a Dexta. You see me? Not only that, to people, I put up something in the community section and I ask about collaboration and we get some whole heap of response. Now, I can't tell you everything what people say, but it in the community section so you can check it out. Right? About 3 days ago, I post it. Right? But people that say they want to hear Jada and Dexta. You know, whole heap of people say that. I just see somebody comment and say they want to hear Spice and Idona. You know, people are talk about collaboration with Shensia and Jada, Shensia and Massacre and Chanel Muir. You get the idea, right? So what I did, I put up a picture with all of the female artists them, and then I put Vibes Cartel, we put TJ, Popcorn, Massacre, and Dexta Daps on it, right? And we said just, yo, put any kind of combination who you want here. So people may extend it to you down in this comment section as well as you can go in the community section if you want and tell we like who no want hear this year. You see me I say 2022. I want to know say the artists them go up on social media too. Them see these things more time when you request them. Them I go no want. You see what I say? So it's not only just a comment, people, it might come to fruition. You see what I say? If you go so boom and comment and the artist see it and they agree, if them see it enough and hear it enough, they might do it. So me just show you say as fans you have influence as well, right? Because the artists them are work for you in a sense, right, people? So let me know what you think down in the comment section. Is it Dexta Daps? And also who you want to hear in a collaboration for 2022?
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.